Good morning, kids. I'm hoping you're having a great Monday. I'm going to teach you how to sign into MobyMax. On Thursday, I sent you all an email. It had two things in it. It had one, this letter that I'm showing you here on the screen, and then it had another letter that basically said to your parents, but it had the school code, your username, and your password. So you're going to basically use option A. You're going to go to mobymax.com/signin. You're going to enter the school code, which is CA7406. You're then going to click go. You're going to check that it says Rancho Viejo Middle School, and then you're going to use your username and password. It's going to have you do an initial assessment. That is what I want it to do because I want you working at your level. You're then going to work on math and science for me. You may have a language arts or social studies teacher that may want you to work on language arts or social studies. You will need to check in with them to see that. Good luck, and if you have any questions, make sure to email me or come to office hours in the Google Meet from 10 to 11 a.m. Have a great week, and I'll see you tomorrow on this slideshow.